Hello and welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners in affiliate marketing get started the right way, saving you time and money. It will also give you the required skills and tools to make your first dollar online. Today we are going to talk about how to start an online company in 2020, quickly and easily using these basic techniques that anyone can follow, and get started today. Discover how easy it is to get your own company off the ground. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll show you the easiest way to start an online company from scratch, and how you can easily leave your 9-to-5 day job using simple marketing systems. So, let's jump into it. Number 1. You need to find and plug into a proven system that is getting results. This is the best way to start seeing success a whole lot sooner, rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. Luckily for you, I've already found a system that works. Below this video you'll find a link of the system that I use and am seeing great results. Number 2. You need to pick a target niche first. It's a really important step. If you pick the wrong niche, you're not going to make as much money. I recommend sticking to top niche concerns like relationships, health, and well-being, finance and making money online. These issues are full of hungry consumers willing to fix their problems as soon as possible. It's up to you to find them a solution to these issues. If you can solve their issues, you will be well on your way to having a successful business. But make sure you pick a niche that you're passionate about, otherwise you will find it hard to stay motivated, and eventually give up. Number 3. You need to set up an autoresponder platform. This is going to give you the ultimate power over your company. Ever heard the phrase, "The money is in the list"? This is true. You can set up a series of emails that will offer value to your potential customers and start selling relevant content to them. Don't pitch in every email you write, though. Make sure you offer free tips, advice and tactics that they can use to help their own lives. Add value first, then your prospects will start to know, like and trust you. Once you develop this rapport, then they will start to buy from you. Number 4. You need to send targeted traffic to a lead magnet and start generating leads. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, "Traffic is king." It's real. If you don't have customers seeing your offers, you're never going to make money from home. So make sure you have the most targeted traffic out there. I recommend search traffic. To get started, this is the most focused traffic you can get, and usually full of potential buyers. Creating articles or videos are the perfect way to get search engine traffic and promote your online business through SEO. Search engine optimization will drive free traffic to your websites and increase your email marketing list at no expense. But it's not going to happen overnight. You need to be patient. Do the work, stay consistent, and the results will follow. It's going to take some time to research the right keywords, but it's worth the effort. I recommend that you do this for at least an hour or two every day. And give your business 6 to 12 months to start to see results. Remember, you're building an asset, and it's going to take time, so be realistic with your expectations. Rome wasn't built in a day. Once you start to make some money, you can then try out various paid advertising channels to scale up your business. But make sure you don't spend any more than 10% of your income while testing and measuring the marketplace. This way you won't burn through all your cash while you're still learning the ropes. Once you've found a successful ad, then you can increase your budget to get faster results. This is the blueprint for success in the online business arena. These 4 steps have brought thousands of people from 0 to 6-figure businesses in as little as a year. These are the best ways to start an online business quickly. Would you like to launch your dream business? Click the first link below this video that says my number 1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. In my opinion, this is the best online business you can start this year. There you can watch a free video by a guy called Dave Sharp. He will outline how the system works and how you can get involved too. For an investment of only $7, you can go through their online business challenge, learning everything you need to know to get started today, and have your business up and running in as little as 15 days. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.